In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to check your AGI on TurboTax. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to turbotax.com like you usually would, and then from here you'll need to search or log into your account. Once from here, it should be looking something like this once you get into your account. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand menu, and then from here you'll need to go down to the tax tools down here, and once you click on that, it should be looking something like this where I can click on tools. Now from here it should be looking something like this where I can see the tools center, and down here you'll need to go down to other helpful links and then click view tax summary. Now once you click on review tax summary, you'll be able to see your adjusted gross income right here. This number should be visible right here. And if it isn't, you'll just need to update it again, or you have probably not done it correctly. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!